Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will be learning how we can fetch or how we can add the data from the previous field into the next field label. Like as you can see here, we have two fields. First is full name and second is email. So in the second field, if instead of just saying the email, if you want to display the person's name, like what is your email, and you want to put the name they entered in the first field in this fields label, how can we do that? So let's say first step will be to get the field name. Like if you want to enter this field full name, if you want to enter the full name into the email label, then the first thing you need to do is get the name. So Jotform assign unique name to each field. So once you will click on the property button here, then you need to go to the advanced settings, and at the end you will find a label as field details. Click on it and it will expand, and here you will see unique name. So if no matter how long your form is, it has 100 or 200 fields, each field name will be unique. So to display the data from this field into the next field, what you have to do is simply just copy this name, the unique field name, and you can add this unique name into the next field. Like, but this needs to be added into the braces. So like full name, what is your email? Now let's suppose if the user enter their name as ABC in the first field, then the second field label should be ABC, what is your email address? So now let's go to preview and see if it worked. So there are only two steps. One step is get the unique field name for your field, and the second step is simply put that field name into braces into the next field label where you want to display this. So let's see, we enter a name and then click next, and as you can see, now the name we entered in the previous field is simply displayed into the next field. So this is how you can pre-populate the data from the previous field into the next field label. So that is all for now. Please like and share this video and subscribe for more.